friends, today is all about adding some Valentine's Day vibes to our homes while resetting for the week ahead. You should always be your own Valentine. So let's give ourselves the gift of an organized home while remembering to enjoy all the moments in between.
You got me going into overdrive. Too busy, can you leave a message by the tone? You got me wrapped around in summertime. Yeah, yeah, I need to know we'll fall in love right here and now. Call me up whenever you're feeling low. Stimulate your mind, we can take it slow. You got me going crazy now. Falling into you, 'cause you're on my mind. Jump on it.
Now that I got my kitchen tidied up, it was time for the fun part, decorating my coffee bar area. I get so much joy out of decorating my spaces, so I never miss a chance to add a touch of the season. I don't go too extreme for Valentine's Day, but I feel like a few touches of flowers and hearts, it really goes a long way. I added a third strand of roses on the counter and I love how it turned out. I couldn't find a way to make the heart garland work though, over in the coffee bar area. It is so cute, but it was just giving a different vibe than the roses. So I ended up putting the garland over the sink and I think it looks so cute over there. Here I'm using a candle straight from the Christmas decor bin. I love when I can use decor pieces for multiple seasons. Now that I'm almost done decorating the kitchen, I need to make something in it. So let's make a strawberry cold foam matcha. It's actually so easy and it was really good. Oof, this coffee bar turned out so cute. All right, guys, it's the moment of truth. I'm not going to use my straw. I want the flavor of the cold foam. That first drink was all strawberry cold foam, not gonna lie, but it was delicious. It still has that natural strawberry flavor, but it also has some sweetness from the 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. This is really good. Okay, I'm gonna drink out of the straw now so I can taste the matcha. Honestly, it tastes just like matcha, but so I think I'm going to keep drinking it like this so I can get the cold foam. There we go. That was a drink with cold foam and matcha. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Sometimes I make drinks on here and I tell you guys, right? I'm like, it's okay. But this drink, delicious. 10/10 recommend. It's so festive. Oh my God, my cup is so dirty. Look at it. It's a little messy. As always, I'll have the recipe linked in the description. Next thing I'm gonna do is tidy up my dining room. My table is full of stuff that was given to us. So I'm gonna clear that off, find homes for it, and then I have flowers that I wanna make into a Valentine's Day bouquet. For this Valentine's Day season, I've decided that I'm going to embrace self-love. And the way I can show myself some love is to spend some time making myself a bouquet of flowers. Not only is it fun to do, I get to enjoy the flowers for days to come. And I want to challenge you to do something loving for yourself this season. If you accept this self-love challenge, drop a heart emoji in the comments.
Don't want nobody else around. When I'm with you, baby, nothing really matters. So like think about, baby, there's no doubt. Spending hours over at your place. Every night, hold me tight in your arms. Wanting more of you. Do you feel it too? 보고 싶어, wanna take a night. Honestly, I'm wanting something safer. 말해줄래, tell me what I want.
I want to add a touch of pink and red to the living room. So I have these pillow covers. I love the red ones because I can use them for Christmas and for like Valentine's Day. And then the pink ones, I can use them for spring and Valentine's Day. So I always try to get decor pieces that I can use for multiple seasons because storage, right? I also have this pink throw that I'm gonna put maybe over the side of the couch. I'm not sure yet. So I'm just gonna change the pillows and then add some throw blankets because I switched the couch cover this morning. So don't wanna do it again. The couch cover, it's like, yeah, I know it's not the cutest, but we have dogs and they shed a lot. And so I just feel like it's the easiest to clean to keep our couch in good condition. And we can just switch the couch covers when they make it muddy. Speaking of my dogs.
Love me or hate me, God knows you made it when he let his eyes on me. 여기 네 눈이 날 바라보는 눈빛이 이미 다 말해줘. No, I ain't gonna let anyone keep me down. No, no, you just gotta keep up 'cause I ain't gonna go down. No, no, everyone just wanna get together.
Okay, I have some early mornings next week, so I'm making overnight oats, so I have a quick breakfast. I used the rest of the strawberries to make these oats, and they turned out so good. You basically just make strawberry milk, blending in the strawberries with the oats, and I left my strawberries a little chunky, and it was perfect. So easy, so quick to grab in the morning, and I didn't get sick of them.
Never met someone like you, felt something like your touch. I wish we would've met tonight. Sure, I've had lovers in my past, won't lie, I've had a blast, but none of them had your humor.
All right, loves, that wraps up this Valentine's themed reset. Remember, self-love isn't just a vibe, it's a practice. So take it easy and do something kind for yourself this week. If this video gave you a little inspiration, give it a like, subscribe, and stick around because next up, we're diving into more decluttering magic. See you soon.